Jamaica. Yo. So it seems everyone is on dancehall now. Since Andrea Wellness and Babsy Grange, both puppets of the Freemason private sector, started lashing out against it. First thing, the government and dancehall artists are part of the same boat. One is important than the other, while both is used by the private sector to drive and corrupt the human being. Also, to open up rebellion to the masses. Same with religion. Humans are created to worship the Creator Allah, but religion was created to divert that need of the soul to be connected to its source as a means for producing negative energy to aid in rituals, worshipping pagan idols linked towards the jinns, creating the rift to release the Antichrist. Mankind is like an empty shell promoting things external with nothing inside. Dancehall arrived innocently behind reggae. It was always about enjoyment, fun, and entertainment. But music was a gift from the devil, and nothing from the devil is any good. And even Devin the Dokta, or whatever him call himself, created a song firing back at the government saying, "Don't blame dancehall for crime." Being both physically and spiritually dunce is really the worst. How can you say you can't blame dancehall for crime? It is a part of it. Dancehall transformed the youth from the 2000s till present into empty killers, no arts, and hidden souls, possessed by jinns, trying to prove who's more evil. This guy Cartel pave a way, destroying both black males and females, the dunce to life. No, the dons to life will always defend the evil they are following to hell. Dancehall has changed slightly. Intelligent human beings into corrupted humans who function less than dogs, exploiting females, telling them it's okay to be a toilet for money. Jamaicans are seriously sick and they're just following their masters, the white Zionists. They have no life, no culture, no identity. All this is lost to them and they cling on to that which suits them for a minute. You're all going to be killed or chipped, then killed as sacrifices, then wake up to punishment, and Allah will be the one judging you. Congratulate yourselves. You have successfully repeated the reality of those before you to the more severest of degrees.